Hello everyone, and welcome back. Okay, so here we have a 5-pin Yale style keyway, my second challenge lock that I made. It's pinned by me. I made the pins today. I just got home from work a little while ago, just finished putting it back together. I wasn't going to pick any more locks on video, but this one doesn't have a key. I want to make sure it works, so I figured, what the heck, I'll pick it on video. This will probably be my last one of mine that I pick on video before I send them out. The rest of the locks, I'm going to get some keys cut for them before I make them. But we're going to try to get this one open for you, and I'll show you what I put inside it. Alright, I'm going to have to go top of the keyway with this Z-style wrench that I made out of a Z wrench. Modified it myself because it's in 50 thousandths. I'll use my standard hook, south hook, and we'll see if we get in here. Alright. Okay, one is binding. Might have got a little bit from him. I gotta tighten this up. Alright. Okay, I think 2 is binding. But I got a little click from him. A little click from 3 maybe. Okay, a little bit from 4. It's a 5-pinner. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. Okay, I think I got a little bit off of 4. Bit from 3, I got a little bit of a false set. Counter rotation off of 2. Not sure if I got him or not. Let me check him. Maybe. Rotation from 1, I think. Just dropped some pins. Alright, got some back off of 2. Alright, had counter rotation off of 4. I heard something drop though. Okay, I got some of the false set back off of 3. Counter rotation on 2 again. I think I got a little bit off of 1 that time. A little bit of a false set going. Might have overset something. Oh, a little click off of 4. think I overset something. I have to bring it back a hair. I heard one pin drop. Let's see if he was the one. Okay, I had a little counter rotation from 2. I think I got him that time. Some from 1. Might have got him that time. About to lose my wrench. Alright, I got a good click off of 5. I got a nice deep falset. Alright, we're open. I think that was on 3. Alright, cool. It does work. Now let's see what we put inside. And I don't want to lock it back up. I don't have a key for it. So, where'd we go? Sorry, lower this. Move that out of the way a little bit more. Alright. Like I said, I don't want to lock it up. I know this will fit. So I better hold that until I get this off. Ooh, wants a turn. Okay. I'm going to shim it. Yeah, this is going to be the last one that I pick on video. And I want to just keep revealing my locks. Alright. I think we'll be okay. Okay. See if I get something to show you the pins with. Let me focus it. And I wish this thing wouldn't go dark on me. Oh boy, I just knocked 2 of them out. But I do know how 3 of them. I do know how they went though. Damn it. This long one was in 3, and the short one in 4. Sorry, good thing I put it together and know how it's going. Alright, well I'll show you the pins down here. Let me focus it again. With a little bit of light if I can. No, maybe that's about as light as it's going to get. Alright. Key pin 1 is a pin and pin. Spooled at the bottom, serrated at the top. I'll show you the pins in a minute. Key pin 2 is a double spool. 3. Come on out of there. Is what I do. That's a serrated spool. Key pin 4 is a spool T-pin, and 5 is a standard. And up here in the core, damn it, stop going dark on me. Alright, there you go. Well, I threaded 1, 2, and 3, and I gave, 1, 2, and 4, and 3 has some counter milling. So that's what's done to the core. Up here in the Bible, we have pin 1. It's a nice deep double spool. We have a light steel spring. Pin 2. Is a pin and pin. serrated on the outer collar. And we have a copper spring. Damn, I wish there was more light with this damn camera. Pin 3 is a spool, pretty deep. Copper spring. Make sure I get that to lighten up again. There we go. Alright, 4 is a serrated. Copper spring, a light copper spring. 5 is a deep spool in the bottom to a T-pin on the top. And we have, come on out of there. Another copper spring. And I didn't do anything to the Bible. Matter of fact, I might do some undercutting before I send this lock out. But here, I'll give you a look at the pins. Alright, so key pin 1 is a pin and pin, kind of spooled at the bottom, serrated on the top. Key pin 2 is a double spool. 3 is a serrated spool. 4 is a spool to a T-pin. 5 is just a standard. Up here on the top we have a double spool, really long one here, deep. Here we have a pin and pin, serrated on the outer. And I tried to get a little serration on the top. I think there is. Alright, we have a spool in 3, serrated in 4, and a spool T-pin in 5. We have a light steel, copper, copper, another light copper, and another copper. Yep, that's my second lock. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions or comments, comment below. And for everybody else, if you don't have their permission, don't open it. Thanks guys. Bye.